Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Hi, I'm Lexa Jane. Welcome to my channel. So today, kids, I'm gonna teach you how to make a gift card. Yay! Or you can call it a Christmas card. But before that, I want to say happy birthday to Henrik from Norway and Auntie Olive. Hi! Happy birthday! Now let's start. First, you need paper or cardboard. Then you need colors. You can use crayon, color pencils, or markers. And then you need glue, glitters, and you can use whatever color you want, pencil, and googly eyes. So, we will fold a paper. Then you will need to fold it again. Then you will get this. Hey. Hi. Now we will need to draw something that symbolizes Christmas. You can draw a snowman, reindeer, or a Christmas tree. First, I will draw a Christmas tree. My tree is dancing. Now let's put some Christmas presents. I want to draw a star there who is floating. Christmas present. Kids, inside here is a cup. Because a cup is like this. And that present is like this too. There's a cup inside this one. Now it's done. Now you'll trace the pencil with some markers. Now let's put the glue. Now we will put the glitter. Now what you need to do is to write Merry Christmas. Let's brush off the excess. Now we'll put the message in the card side here. Let's do a reindeer. The eyes are not gonna be drawn because it's googly eyes. That's gonna be googly. Right here. Put. Wow. Now let's trace it with some markers. What markers should I use? Kids, I'm gonna use brown. For the nose, we will put red. It's Rudolph. My reindeer is done. Now we're gonna do a snowman. Do you wanna build a snowman? One, two, three. This is Olaf. This is Fat Olaf. These are my 3 cards. Kids, I hope you like this video, and I know my cards are not that good, but I made it with all my heart, and I guess you kids do it too. See you soon. Bye, and Merry Christmas! Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.